Hello, welcome to another Learning Beyond Limits lesson. On today, we're going to talk about multiples. What exactly is a multiple? Well, a multiple of a number is a number that is obtained when that given number is multiplied with an integer. What does that look like? Well, let's use an example. What if I were to ask you for the multiples of 3? Note that 3 doesn't have just one multiples, but it has infinite numbers of multiples. So when we think about multiples, we want to think about the word multiply. So 3 times 1 would give you 3. So 3 is a multiple of 3. 3 is a multiple of itself. And 3 times 2 would give you 6. So 6 is a multiple of 3. Remember, when you multiply an integer by the number, which our number is 3, the result that we get is a multiple of the number. And then 3 times 3 is 9, so 9 is a multiple of 3, and 12 is a multiple of 3, and 5 is a multiple, 15 is a multiple of 3, and 18 is a multiple of 3. And if you notice, it seems like we're skip counting, so we're going 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, which is exactly what we're doing. But also bear in mind, it's the same as doing our multiplication table for 3. What if we were to ask for a different number? Say we want the multiple of 4. What would that look like? Well, it would be very similar to what we had for the 3. So again, we want to first think about the word multiply if we're thinking about multiple, right? So 4 times 1, 4. So 4 itself is the first multiple of 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 is the next multiple of 4. And 12 is a multiple of 4. 16 is a multiple of 4. 20 is a multiple of 4. And 24 is a multiple of 4. And note, we can keep going on and on and on. We can go 4 times 7, 4 times 8, 4 times 9, all the way up to infinity. And that's how we find multiples of any given number.